How to make collage in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll open the Photoshop and here I'll go to this file option. We'll scroll down a little bit and find this automate option. Now I'll scroll down and contact sheet 2. So here this is the interface which has been opened and you have to select what do you want to do. So you can individually select the files or folder. So I have made a folder, so I'll select that. Desktop, I'll select this folder. Okay. So my whole folder and all the images have been selected here. So what I'll do is I'll basically change this to 2 by 2. So those were basically 8 photos. Let's see what will happen. It will automatically make the collage for me. So I'll select, you have to select this setting, inches, adjust according to the pictures what do you have. So this is the best setting for my pictures. I'll select this. So I'll select OK. So it will automatically make collage for me. So as you can see, it is doing its stuff here. It's opening. So as you can see that these 4 pictures are those and 4 pictures are these. So we have basically 8 pictures, so it have selected this and make this. So this is how to make a collage in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.